we just had a guy fall. Seriously had a guy fall.
Do what?
We had a guy just wreck, man.
Oh, man.
Get all the shit out of the road. I might have got it on video, but I think it was too far back to make anything. I had to be a good couple hundred feet.
Yeah, I mean, we need to see if it runs. But I mean, it don't seem like anything major is here.
It's not leaking anything. That's always a good sign.
Let's save that bike.
Was there a windscreen on there?
Yeah, a lot of pieces went flying off.
Oh, I got shattered in.
There was a lot of little plastic.
I seen his bag. That's about all I seen.
There was a lot that just went.
That was absolutely nuts. I don't even know what freaking happened. I just seen him flying, and I was in the back. Yeah.
Yeah, because like I started locking my brakes, like everyone just fucking stopped out of nowhere. Because like I was worried about that van getting over and hitting me, but like I didn't want to lose them, so I was like, I was right with her, and we were like, all right, because their bikes are, I have a Ninja, you can't hear my bike, but you can hear theirs. So I was like, all right, I'm with them. And then all of a sudden it's just like everyone's stopping.
Yeah.
And then I was like, fuck. So I locked my brakes up a little bit, let off, got back on him. And then as soon as I was like getting back on him and telling him to stop, I just
Crazy.
So I don't. Was the van? Did the van do something?
I think the van was like swerved into him or something. I don't know. It's my screen's so small on my camera. I'm gonna have to get home to see it. I have a video of it, but I think I was too far back.
You got it on video?
I did, but I think I was too far back to make out. Out the license plate.
Past the Pacifica?
I might have. I just wrecked, man.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's been an eventful fucking morning. I'm not gonna lie. So it sucks. That's kind of weird. The guy, I don't even know if it was the one in the accident. He seemed alright, but he like sat down, and the longer he sat there and time went on, he's like, man, I'm starting to get in some serious pain here. He was really feeling it. You could see him kind of halfway shocked. So they actually took him out, and they're towing his bike. He has one of those new Yamaha, I'm going to fuck this up, I know I am, but it's like one of the FCRs, I think, the triple cylinder. And he had some frame sliders, and I'll be honest, on the right side is where it slid. His frame sliders and his exhaust took everything. A little bit of damage to the top of the tank, but to be honest, if that doesn't fucking sell you on sliders, I don't know what does. So I need to jump on that bad. Oh, we just had a guy fall. Seriously had a guy fall.
Do what?
We had a guy just wreck, man.
Oh, man.
So I guess the question I'm going to be asked is, what do I think actually happened? And to be honest, the honest truth, I don't know. In fact, I thought I knew at first, but the more I rewatch this, the more I can't see enough to make an educated guess. I can make a guess. I don't think it's the right one, but the only guess I could probably come up with is, just based on what I know, is the green Ninja locks their brakes up. I do know that it's the green Ninja that locks the brakes up, and that is the cloud of smoke that you can see. I don't think you can see it on the footage very well, but if I was to assume that, the only other pieces I could put in there would be the Yamaha is behind the Ninja that reacts to something. They said someone slowed down, cut them off, something. And the guy in the Yamaha reacts by going to the right, tapping the mirror in the arm of the guy on the tricolor Panigale, and then turns back around. That is what I would assume happened. But the more I watch the footage, especially in slow-mo, I don't seem to really see anything to support that theory. I don't know. So the answer to this question, what do I think? I don't know. I don't know what happened. So the people there seem to think that Pacifica did something. They're in the left lane. Even going back through all the footage, because I was recording that whole ride, and I just cut to the point right up to it. They were sitting in that lane the whole time. I can't see if they're doing anything. I don't really see them swerve. I went back through just to make sure there wasn't something that caused them to do it. But, something at that precise moment happened to cause all that commotion to go on. It sort of looks like there might have been a car that came over from the right side into the group of bikes. But I can't tell. I really can't tell. I think it was a biker. To be honest, I think it was somebody. They were riding too close, too fast, trying to catch up with the rest of the group. Someone reacted, and it was just a domino effect, go down the middle. Where people were, I don't know. Who was at fault, I don't know. I really don't know. All I do know is that guy's bike, as crazy as what I seen, that bike flipped. I totally seen that bike flip around, and it slid over to the side. And other than the two frame sliders, that were damaged. I don't even count those because those are sliders and they're designed to do that. So technically, his exhaust, his instrument panel cluster had some scratches on it. The windscreen, but even the windscreen, all the bolts were still there for it. So at least that's what I thought those forward bolts were. The turn signal, and yeah, that was it. The tank. The tank is probably the most strenuous one because that's more in depth. But it wasn't dented up real bad. It was just paint. It looked like you get in there and tap it. Whatever. I'm not gonna make my judgments. Either way, I hope the guy's all right. I never got his name. I never found out if he was with those group of people I ride into the track with. I don't know. They're a great group of people. I mean, they were great. I rode in with them. Fantastic people. All from Ohio. I threw the YouTube channel name at them, stuff like that. If they watch it, I don't know. But, and I don't know if that guy was with him or not. So I hope he's okay. If anyone does watch this video and knows that guy, he had a orange FZ09. So anyone knows he's all right, it'd be great to have a comment there just to know that, just for my sake. He seemed like the longer he sat there, the more pain he was starting to feel. But his bike took some bruises and scratches. I'm just assuming maybe he got a few, maybe broke a bone, maybe fractured something. I don't know. Either way, he seemed. My medical opinion isn't the best, but he seemed okay in my opinion. Yeah. So anyway, that's all I got. Appreciate you guys watching this. This was kind of a longer video. I've been trying to stay away from these long videos here lately, just because I think they distract. You're like me. You have a shorter attention span. I'm not trying to keep you here all day. But when I do put a longer video out, usually I want it to mean something. And yeah, it was just another crazy event that happened on MotoGP weekend 2014. So this has been NinjaBoots, and we'll see you guys in the next video.